Let's draw two pictures of Rubble and Rocky, the pups from PAW Patrol, together. I'll also share two beautiful stories about them with you. One sunny afternoon, Rubble, the construction pup from PAW Patrol, was playing at the lookout when he noticed a pile of leftover building materials from their latest mission. These could be used for something creative, Rubble exclaimed. He decided to organize a construction-themed art day for the kids in Adventure Bay, showing them how to use materials like wood, screws, and paint to create art. Rubble set up a small workshop in the park, bringing along tools and colorful paints. "Let's make some cool construction art together," he barked. To inspire the kids, Rubble started building a wooden sculpture of the PAW Patrol emblem. He used screws for the outline and added bright yellow paint to represent his construction gear. The kids were amazed and eagerly began creating their own projects, such as miniature buildings, trucks, and even a bridge. As they worked, Rubble told the kids about his adventures, like the time he used his bulldozer to save a family of turtles stuck in the mud. The kids laughed and asked questions while hammering and painting. Rubble encouraged them to think creatively and mix their favorite colors. "You don't just need bricks to build something amazing, you can use your imagination too," he said, wagging his tail. By the end of the day, the park was filled with colorful sculptures and paintings inspired by Rubble's love for construction. Ryder and the other pups stopped by to admire the artwork and praised Rubble for his creativity and leadership. "You've shown everyone how to build and create, Rubble," Ryder said. Rubble beamed with pride, knowing he had inspired the kids to see construction as a form of art. It was a day filled with teamwork, creativity, and fun. Now, we're going to draw Rocky, and I'll tell you an exciting story about her as we create the artwork. One bright morning, Rocky, the eco-friendly pup from PAW Patrol, was sorting through the recycling bins at the lookout. He found cardboard boxes, plastic bottles, and old magazines and got an idea. "Why throw this away when we can turn it into art?" Rocky barked excitedly. He decided to host a recycling art day to teach kids how to create fun art using recycled materials. Rocky set up an art station in the park with all the materials he had collected. "Let's make something amazing while helping the environment," he said with enthusiasm. To get started, Rocky created a colorful collage of the PAW Patrol pups using scraps of paper and bottle caps. The kids joined in, making animals, robots, and even flowers from the recycled materials. Rocky showed them how to cut, glue, and paint their creations step by step. As the kids worked, Rocky shared stories about his missions, like the time he used recycled parts to fix a broken wagon for Farmer Yumi. The kids were inspired by his creativity and love for the planet. "Remember," Rocky said, "don't lose it, reuse it." They giggled and added final touches to their art projects, proud of what they had created. By the end of the day, The park was filled with unique and colorful pieces of art. Ryder and the other pups came by to admire the work. Ryder said, "Rocky, you've shown everyone how to turn trash into treasure." Rocky wagged his tail happily, knowing he had inspired kids to think creatively while helping the environment. It was a day full of learning, laughter, and colorful creations. Please subscribe, like, and share this video.